Hello, this is Curtis with the Playing with Art show. And today we're going to make paper nests out of shredded paper. These nests could be used as a DIY Easter basket, or for holding art supplies, or for holding things that remind you to not take life too seriously. I used the back side of a colander to make a basket that looks like this. I used the inside of the colander to make a basket that looks like this. And then a plastic cereal bowl using the inside to make a basket like this, and then the back side of the cereal bowl to make a basket that looks like this. And then I hand formed a basket to look like this. To get started, shred some paper. I used kraft paper for most of these projects, and I cut the pieces that were 5 inches tall to make short strands of shredded paper. Next, in a small bowl, mix some white glue with water. I use about 1.5 to 2 parts water to 1 part white glue. The next step is to cover the form you want to use with clear plastic wrap. And then next, put on some plastic gloves and just put a little bit of the glue and rub them into your hands, and then gently massage the strands of paper, and do this about 2 to 3 times. You just want a light coating of glue on all the strands to get them to stick together. Now, if you put too much glue, then you'll get more of a matted down, heavy finish. But for more of a lighter, kind of fluffy basket, just be real sparingly with the glue. The next step is to shape the basket by placing it on the form. And it's going to be done in a few layers or all at once. It's just a matter of somewhat teasing the paper and gently spilling it over the sides and pushing and pulling and just being patient with the paper and just kind of playing with it and seeing which way it wants to lay flat and where it wants to pile up. And so this is the part to really just take it slow and kind of play with the material. Once you've got it the way you want it, you need to let it sit and dry for about 24 to 48 hours. For this next basket, I'm going to use the back of a small plastic cereal bowl, and I'm going to use shredded paper that's actually recycled text paper. This was paper that was printed with a laser printer and was in the recycle bin, and then I just, again, cut it into 5-inch tall pieces and shredded it, and then formed it on the back of the bowl. And then after it dried overnight, I just slowly peeled off the plastic. Some baskets may need a little extra trimming, so you can either do that just by pulling off pieces or using a scissors to just gently snip off some of the strands that are sticking out too far. This small basket is already dry and finished, but just to demonstrate, I'm showing I've used basically a pinch pot technique of forming it by hand when the paper was still wet. And if you're looking for something to make to put into your baskets, check out my Make Mixed Media Eggs from Plastic Eggs video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. All those things help other people find this video. For more inspiration, check out other videos at playingwithartshow.com.